Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh. Once again I'm with you with a new video lecture on Oracle 10G base. Past few video lectures we consider how to create a table in Oracle 10G as well as to describe the schema of the table, and then we discuss about how to retrieve the records basic from the table. We also discuss about the inserting of records and null records inserting into the table. Now today's lecture we are discussing how to retrieve data uh, from in different ways. So here we are taking relational operators. Today we are using relational operators in our uh, queries. Relational operator means a term, a symbol that is used to operate some applications on operands. Like if I am saying that A plus B are an expression, then A and B are two operands where plus is an operator which adds A in B. So uh, I I'm clarify the term operator, that is a symbol only. So here relational operators are first, less than, second, greater than, third one is less than or equals to, fourth one is greater than or equals to, fifth one is equals to, and the sixth one is not equal. Okay, so these are the symbols we are using in our today's class. The select with the select statement. The select star from table name is usually used for all records from the table. The syntax is used for all the records in a table. So if we want to retrieve records using the filtering, so the term filtering is considered here. Filters are of three types. Three types of filters are there. First filter is that all rows and selected columns. Retrieve all rows but selected columns. Second filter is all columns but selected rows, and the third one is selected columns and selected rows. So there are basically three kind of filters: all rows and selected columns. Now first of all we move to our table, so that we insert some records into our table and then uh, apply some filters on. So first of all I have to connect with the system. The password is the username is system and password is known to me also. I cannot express with you. So select star from new table. Our table was this. So I'm okay. So there is a null value column using different table. Okay. So let's start from tab, that's the central database. Employee master. I have a table employee master. Start from employee master. So I have a plenty of records here, employee ID, employee name, age, salary, and city. Okay, so we apply these filters on this table. Okay, so first filter is all rows and selected columns. All rows and selected columns means this is first row, E001, Kabir's 27, 17,000 Jodhpur. This is a first row, or it is also called tuple. So here our filter says all rows but selected columns. So column here are EID, ENAME, EAGE, ESalary and ECity. So we have to select only certain columns which are needed, and all the rows. So this is the first filter. So for achieving this, we have to put syntax like this. Select col1 name, comma, col2 name from table name. Okay, so all the rows are selected, but only certain columns will be shown the viewer like this. Select. Want to only display the name, ename, and their age, EAGE, and their city, ECity. From table name is employee master. So all rows, there were 6 rows in the above table. There were 6 rows in the above table, and the new retrieval table also has 6 rows, but there is certain fields which are required. So this is the first filter using this syntax. Select column 1, column 2, and up to the requirement from table name. So this is the first filter of retrieving records. The second filter says all columns but selected rows. So here our table is that let's start from employee master. Okay, so we have 6 rows here. Our filter says all columns but selected rows. So here we include a where clause. Syntax is select star. Star means all fields, so all the columns will arrive. Select a star from table name is employee master, or we are including syntax, so enclosed the table name in angular bracket. Table name from table name where, and here we put some condition so that the rows which are retrieved must match the condition whatever is given to the system. So for example, select star from system. Select star from employee master where condition can be city equals to Jodhpur. It may be possible, or it can be possible EAGE greater than equals to 20. So relational operators are applied in these kind of expressions here using the where clause. So we have city name like Jodhpur, Jaipur, Bikaner, Jalore, etc. and EAGE like 27, 32, 23, 24, 27, 32. Okay, so first of all we are considering the second filter, that is all columns but selected rows. So select all columns are retrieved by star. Select star from employee master where E city equals to Jodhpur. So this is included in the semicolon, in the single quotes, and the end of a statement is semicolon. Then only those records are retrieved, only those rows are retrieved with all the columns which satisfy the condition. And in the past few lecture I discussed with you that Oracle is not case sensitive, but in the data value it is case sensitive. So here I am explaining what is the mean of case sensitive. You can see that let's start from employee master, sorry, employee master. So these records have including Jodhpur as J small, Jaipur, Bikaner, all the terms are small. If we are searching like select star from employee master where E city equals to capital JODHPUR. So this will retrieve no records, but there is still some records of Jodhpur. So this is proved that Oracle 10G is case sensitive in data values. Okay, so we must have to uh, use is universal pattern uh, whenever we create our database, whenever we insert data into our database. Either we have to put the records in smaller letters or capital letters. So that is a good ethic for a database administrator or database designer to aware of the case sensitivity of Oracle 10G Express Edition. Now we are moving to the third filter, that is selected columns and selected rows. So this will achieve by the syntax select column 1 name, column 2 name, up to your choice from table name where certain condition. Okay, so according to this syntax we are using select e name, e salary from employee master where e age greater than equals to 30. See, where e age is greater than equals to 30. So the only two records are matched the condition Sunil and Nitin, whose salary is 22,000 and 13,500, and only two selected columns are retrieved, e name and e salary, and only selected rows which satisfy that condition where e age is greater than equals to 30 only retrieved, Sunil and Nitin. Let us check what says Sunil and Nitin. The Sunil has age 32, that is greater than equals to 30, and the Nitin age is 32, that is greater than equals to 30. 27 is less than 30, 24 is less than 30, 23 is less than, and 27 is also less than 30. So only two records match this condition and only two are retrieved. So you are familiar now with the term filtration in Oracle 10G, or we can say filtration in SQL during the retrieval of data from the table. So that's all for this class. I hope you enjoy a lot with the example and the explanation here. I must say, please share your valuable comments in the comment section, and please like and subscribe my channel so that I can be available with more unique videos and most valuable information for you students. Thank you all of you. Have a great day. Thank you.